Have you ever wondered what powers the fascinating conversations you have with your favorite chatbot? Well, the answer lies in the world of artificial intelligence, specifically in a technology known as ChatGPT. Today, we journey into the captivating realm of AI, exploring the course content of OpenAI's ChatGPT. This course walks you through the fundamentals of AI and the intricate workings of ChatGPT, a language model that is transforming the way machines communicate with humans. The course begins by diving into the basics of AI, demystifying terms like machine learning and neural networks. It then swiftly transitions into a more specific study of language models, explaining how these models understand and generate human-like text. As we progress further into the course, we delve deeper into the heart of ChatGPT. Here, we learn about its transformer-based architecture, a structure that allows the model to generate coherent, relevant, and contextually accurate responses. We also explore the fascinating concept of fine-tuning, a crucial process that refines the base model's ability to generate human-like text. This is achieved by training the model on a large dataset containing diverse and extensive conversations. But the course doesn't stop at just explaining how ChatGPT works. It also addresses the ethical considerations and potential risks of deploying AI models. It underscores the importance of using AI responsibly, highlighting potential misuse and biases that can arise from these technologies. In this video, we've touched on a few key points. We've explored the basics of AI and language models, delved into the architecture and fine-tuning process of ChatGPT, and discussed the ethical considerations of using AI. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The ChatGPT course is a comprehensive guide that takes you on a deep dive into the world of AI and chatbots. So, if you find yourself intrigued by the intelligent responses of your chatbot, or if you're curious about the technology that powers it, the ChatGPT course is a fantastic resource to quench your thirst for knowledge. In the world of AI, the possibilities are endless, and with tools like ChatGPT, we're one step closer to creating a future where machines understand us, not just hear us. So why not take that first step into understanding them?